For our tip of the week today, I'm going to teach you how to manage design options using the pin feature. If you're not familiar with what the pin feature is, the pin feature is part of the renovation tool or feature in Archicad. So if you ever go to, what you want to do is go to the palettes menu, which is under the options menu. So go down to palettes, and then the submenu renovation, open the renovation palette here. This will open up. And in our renovation palette, renovation tool, we're typically using it to do and draw elements that are existing, that are demo, or that are new. But we also have what's called a pin feature here. Now, what this pin feature here does is it allows us to pin it to a filter. So what you can do, for example, is you can pin it to filters that are not just for renovation, but could also be options. So, for example, I could go down to the bottom of my renovation filter here if I open this up, or I can go, or actually you can see right here. You can see if I click this button where it says all visible and locked, I can open up the renovation filter, click the renovation filter options. It will open up this dialog, and then I can click all visible and locked, duplicate, and rename that to option 1. Once I do that, I click OK, and then I can begin to add additional options. I can duplicate this one, make it option 2, and option 3, etc. And that's really all you need to do. You just click 1, 2, 3, rename those, and then once you've done that, you then select that renovation option here, and not thinking about it as renovation necessarily, it could just be a design option. And then you can actually pin elements to that particular filter. So for example, if I select this filter and I click the pin option and I start to draw something here, okay, anything I draw now is going to be pinned or assigned to that option 1 filter that I selected. Now, if I were to select this renovation filter and now select option 2, you'll notice that this wall goes away, and now I start to draw new walls that are now assigned to the option 2 filter. So now what happens is when I select option 1, it shows me these walls that were assigned to option 1 using the pin feature. And when I select option 2, it now selects and shows these walls that were assigned to the option 2 filter. So a really easy way for you to be able to kind of set those up and be able to use that. You'll also notice that when I go and select a Archicad wall, that it actually, and I open up the wall settings, that I can also set and change the options and set the option filter here as well. So if you want to set it to this point, you can do that too. So that is our tip of the week.